If you're a company that spends real money on cloud, you should know that there are programs that you probably don't know of that can save you tons of money by migrating you to a competitor hyperscaler who will save you tons of money, will give you a custom offer to migrate you off the competitor without even work from your side. So if you're a company that spends a lot of money on their cloud bill, in this video I'm going to go over how you can utilize these migration programs to save tons of money on the long run. And this is especially suited for companies that have used their credits and are looking for a way to save money on their cloud bill without paying tens of thousands of dollars per month on AWS, GCP, or Azure. So before we get into this, why you should listen to me. So my name is Neta and I map commercial routes for startups for a living. So basically I get paid for routing tech founders into the right AWS, GCP, or Azure partners who give them programs that saves them tons of money on their cloud bill without any technical changes or anything that requires additional effort from them. So these startups are getting programs that save them hundreds of thousands of dollars annually on their cloud bill, and in the meantime they can focus on shipping the product and scaling further while reducing their overall cloud costs by using commercial programs that are not being publicly advertised and are not as well known as they should be. So the reason why these programs are not being advertised and your account rep won't bring them up, because this migration money is flowing through partners. So it's not through your AWS rep. It doesn't have any incentive to tell you about this stuff. And if you don't ask through the right door, the budget stays closed and you will not be able to access all of those savings. So let's get into what you can actually do once your credits expire and what to do when your cloud bill is really high and why you should consider doing migrations for our reseller partners. So basically the situation is this. If right now, let's say you are on AWS and you used all of your credits, a GCP partner can come and tell you, hey, listen, we'll migrate you off AWS to GCP. The entire migration will be done by our staff and it's going to be funded by GCP. You don't pay for the actual migration itself. And once we migrate you from AWS to GCP, we are going to give you credits for your spend, so you don't actually pay for your cloud bill for the next couple of months. And we can get you stuff like discounts, and we can get you better payment terms on your actual GCP bill, and we can get it all funded and basically increase your runway by giving you more credits by moving you to a different cloud provider. So the hyperscalers themselves are extremely aggressive on these maneuvers, and because of that they are going to give you custom offers based on your actual size, but you can expect to get stuff like discounts and you can get more credits. And basically, if you have serious spend right now on AWS, if you move to GCP and etc., moving from GCP to AWS or moving from Azure to GCP or AWS, you will get very good custom offers that will save you tons of money on your cloud bill. So I usually see that the best deals are being done on AWS. From what I'm seeing from our calls, what you can expect is basically 3 months of basically free cloud spend being subsidized by AWS from what you've had on GCP. This is especially relevant for accounts that are spending $5,000 or more on GCP per month. And basically partners can migrate you, take care of this entire thing, and the good partners can do it in a couple of days, move your architecture from GCP to AWS, so your engineering team doesn't really have to be super involved with this, as the partner will take care of it. The entire service is going to be subsidized by AWS or GCP or Azure based on the current provider that you're on and the provider that you're going to move and migrate into. And basically what you're going to get is new credits, potentially 3 months of subsidized cloud cost, and you can expect to also get discounts and other stuff that partners can get you for their commercial levels as partners of the hyperscaler. So to keep it short, if you've exhausted your current credits and you want a new way to save tons of money on your cloud bill, find a really good partner, either on AWS or GCP or a multi-cloud partner, and it will migrate your architecture from your current cloud provider to one of the big free hyperscalers, and you can expect to get new credits, potentially even a discount on your cloud bill, better commercial terms, and basically just get another free trial on another hyperscaler provider. But this is only if your spend is meaningful, ideally $3,000 to $5,000 or more per month on your current provider. And this is a great way to reduce your cloud costs without doing any crazy technical changes and without pulling your engineers off shipping your products and doing optimization on your spend. And I would suggest that if you're currently looking to extend your runway and the cloud bill is a serious issue for your company and you don't want to start paying for SaaS tools and stuff like that, that's going to take off your focus from shipping the product and is going to cost you a lot of money. So this entire thing can basically be done for free, as the hyperscaler will pay for it because they really want you to move from your current environment to their environment. So the important thing is that you find the right partner, because you can go to a shitty partner who might migrate you and might get the funding for the migrations, but the best partners can pull their commercial levers and get you the best custom offers by utilizing the relationship with the cloud provider that they are a reseller of. So let's say you can go to a bad AWS reseller and it maybe will just subsidize the migration. But if you go to the right AWS reseller, he can get you also credits, and he can also get you a discount, and he can also make your bill net 90 payment terms instead of paying as you go. So it's really important the type of partner you choose, and because of that I made cloudcredits.co. I already have pre-vetted resellers that I know are going to get you the best deal possible, and I only work with the best resellers who can get the best deals. And you can just go to cloudcredits.co, you can fill the questionnaire, and in under 60 seconds you'll know what you're eligible for, and you can get matched with a reseller who will do the migration for you and will save you tons of money. So if you got value from this video, feel free to subscribe and follow for more, and I'm going to post more of this every week. So I hope you got value, and I hope to see you soon.